Clear road. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh Lordy!
The day's finally here, Wayne, to try her out. Let's see how she does.
Oh, nice, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, how you guys like my sombrero? Got it off a shrunken head. They tried to shrink my head, but it's too big. Holy moly, that's a noggin, they said.
That's a noggin you got.
That's a noggin. Holy moly. I better put my seatbelt on. This thing sounds beefy.
That's good stuff. I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, I mean, it pulls a little harder than it did with nitrous, but I don't know. I guess I expected this thing to just
Be worse. You gotta
knock my socks off, you know?
You gotta be patient, Wayne. You gotta be patient. Let's do a warm-up pass. This is all a warm-up pass.
A warm-up pass? Uh-oh.
Yeah. My trans is still cold.
Oh my God.
You feel that way?
Oh. Oh. Holy crap, I felt my chest sink in.
Did you feel that one, Wayno?
Oh.
That boy wants to go up.
Wow. That was, oh.
That felt pretty good.
You know, if I hadn't have been leaning, sitting way back in my chair, it would have slammed me.
Just
I mean hard.
Just wait.
This is crazy. Clear road. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh Lordy! Oh. Oh my! I couldn't hold the camera.
That was a good one, Wayne.
That was hard.
But try to keep it as close as you can to this, okay?
Right. I'm thinking right like that.
Yeah, like that close. That's perfect. Try to hold tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it right there.
Yeah, hold it there. Holy crap.
Let's do one more.
Did you see? I went, meow.
This shit's aggressive now, bird. Oh, it's steadiest. Wow. Wait. This thing is killer, bro.
Oh my God. Oh. Woo, I got no spit. That was a ride and a half. I liked it.